Ever wondered how to make a delicious yet healthy chicken sandwich at home? Picture this: a meal that's not just mouth-wateringly good but also kind to your waistline and your wallet. A recipe that's simple to whip up yet packs a punch with taste. Today we're diving into the art of creating a chicken sandwich that's going to tickle your taste buds, fuel your body, and keep your bank account happy. Well, brace yourselves because today you're going to learn how to make a finger-licking healthy chicken sandwich. Scene script. First things first, gather your ingredients. Let's start with our star player, the chicken. We're going with a lean, skinless chicken breast full of protein essential for muscle recovery. Next up, we have our veggies: fresh lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and crisp cucumber. A colorful combo loaded with vitamins and fiber to keep you feeling your best. But what's a sandwich without a good spread? We're using Greek yogurt mixed with a dash of garlic and herbs. Not only does it add a tangy kick, but it also cuts the calories compared to your regular mayo. Last but certainly not least, the brioche bun. This slightly sweet, buttery bun is going to hold everything together. And don't be fooled by its indulgent taste, it's still a good source of energy-boosting carbohydrates. Now that you have all your ingredients, it's time to get cooking. Start by preparing your chicken. A properly prepared chicken is key to a delicious sandwich. Now you may ask, what's the method? Let's simplify it. First, we marinate. This process is like a luxurious spa for your chicken, where it absorbs the flavors. You'll require olive oil, a hint of lemon juice, a dash of salt, a sprinkle of pepper, and a handful of herbs. Mix these together until you have a flavorful blend. Then immerse your chicken in this marinade, letting it absorb all the flavor. Allow it to marinate for 20 to 30 minutes or overnight if possible to the flavor. Next, we move to grilling. Grilling isn't merely placing the chicken on a hot surface and hoping for the best. It's a technique. Preheat your grill to medium heat to avoid charring or undercooking. Place your marinated chicken on the grill and let it sizzle. The sizzling sound is an indication of a delicious meal in progress. Exercise patience during this process. Let each side cook for around 6 minutes until it's golden and the juices run clear. Always check the thickest part of the chicken to ensure it's fully cooked. A well-cooked chicken is juicy, tender, and flavorful. It's the star of your sandwich, so give it the attention it deserves. Remember, thorough cooking is vital for both taste and safety. Once your chicken is well grilled and juicy, it's time to prepare the veggies. Veggies are not just fillers, they add crunchiness and a burst of flavor to your sandwich. Let's dive into the magic of preparing veggies for our delectable chicken sandwich. First up, we're going to wash our veggies thoroughly. We've got some crisp lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and a vibrant red onion on deck. And remember folks, washing is not just for cleanliness, but it also helps to rehydrate your veggies, making them extra crunchy. Now onto the slicing. For the lettuce, we're going to shred it finely. This will give us a nice base for our sandwich and make each bite loaded with that green goodness. Tomatoes, we're going to slice them thinly. Thin slices ensure that every bite has a bit of that sweet, tangy tomato taste. And the red onion, we're going to slice it into thin rings. These will give our sandwich a sharp, exciting flavor that cuts through the richness of the chicken. And let's not forget about the seasoning. A little sprinkle of salt and pepper can make a world of difference. They help to elevate the natural flavors of our veggies, making them an integral part of our sandwich, not just an afterthought. As we prepare these veggies, let's remember their nutritional value. They're packed with vitamins and minerals vital for our health and well-being. And the dietary fiber, it aids digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer. Now that your veggies are ready, it's time to move on to the sauce. A good sauce can elevate your sandwich from good to great. So let's dive right into creating a sauce that will make your taste buds dance and your chicken sandwich sing. The sauce we're preparing today is a light, tangy, and slightly spicy concoction that will perfectly balance the juicy chicken and fresh veggies. We'll start off with a base of Greek yogurt, a healthier alternative to mayonnaise. Greek yogurt not only brings creaminess to the sauce, but also packs a good punch of protein. Next up, we'll add some Dijon mustard for that sharp, tangy kick. Then we'll squeeze in the juice of half a lemon for a touch of acidity. This will brighten up the flavors and cut through the richness of the other ingredients. For a hint of spice, we're going to add a dash of hot sauce. You can adjust the amount based on your spice preference. And finally, we'll add some freshly chopped dill for that herby freshness, and a pinch of salt and pepper to season. Now all that's left is to give it a good mix until everything is well combined. The beauty of this sauce is that it's not just a tasty addition to your sandwich, but it also adds extra moisture, ensuring every bite is juicy and delectable. With your sauce ready, we are almost there. Now let's assemble the sandwich. Now comes the fun part, assembling your sandwich. Think of this as your edible masterpiece, where every layer has its own role to play. The brioche bun, the chicken, the veggies, and the sauce, all coming together in a symphony of flavor, texture, and taste. But the key here is the order of assembly. So let's go layer by layer. First off, we start with the canvas of our masterpiece, the brioche bun. Lightly toasted, it's the perfect base for our sandwich. Its slightly sweet, buttery flavor is going to complement our ingredients beautifully. Next, let's bring in the star of the show, our perfectly cooked chicken. This isn't just any chicken. This is chicken that's been marinated, seasoned, and grilled to perfection. It's juicy, it's flavorful, it's everything a chicken sandwich dreams of being. Lay it on the bun like it's settling into a cozy bed. Now let's add some color and crunch with our veggies. Fresh, crisp lettuce, thinly sliced tomatoes and cucumbers, maybe a few rings of red onion for that little extra kick. These veggies aren't just here for their good looks. They add a much-needed freshness and crunch to our sandwich. And finally, the secret weapon, our homemade sauce. This sauce is the glue that holds everything together. It's tangy, it's sweet, it's got a little bit of heat. Drizzle it generously over the veggies. Don't be shy, this isn't the time to hold back. Now cap it off with the other half of the brioche bun and give it a gentle press. Not too hard. We don't want to squeeze out all those delicious flavors we just layered in. And there you have it. Your delicious yet healthy chicken sandwich is ready. Enjoy your meal knowing that you've created something that's not just tasty but also packed with nutrients. Remember, good food is the foundation of genuine happiness. So go ahead, take a bite and let the happiness spread. With just a few simple steps, you now have a sandwich that's not only delicious but also healthy. We began our journey with the freshest of ingredients, unveiled the secret to a delightfully succulent chicken, and introduced you to the vibrant world of vegetables. We stirred up a sauce that packs a punch and assembled a sandwich that's a feast for the senses. But remember, this is more than just a recipe. It's an experience, a culinary adventure. So we encourage you to take the reins, explore, and make this recipe your own. Add a twist, a dash of your personality. Share your unique creations with us and the world. Cooking is an art, and you, my friend, are the artist. So don your apron, wield your spatula, and let the kitchen be your canvas. Remember, eating healthy doesn't mean compromising on taste. Until next time, keep cooking, keep eating, and stay healthy.